Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch today. A very serious lunch today because I have been challenged by one of my preppers, Christina, who would love to see a Philly cheesesteak in a healthy version. Philly cheesesteak, just obviously it's a lot of cheese, it's a lot of bread. So those are the first two things that I thought of. And everything else is pretty basic. I mean, it's meat and potato and peppers and onions and mushrooms, all good stuff. So today I made that. I made stuffed peppers with bison. I made the bison with onions, mushrooms, and I bought, what really made it was those sweet red cherry peppers in the jar with sauce, with the juice. Because then I used those peppers in there and then poured some of the juice in there. Makes this filling phenomenal. And of course, to get the bread, I just used half of a mini bagel. Half a mini bagel's got about 30 grams of carbs. I topped it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and toasted it. And then I put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and it gives you that gooey bread that you're used to with Philly cheesesteaks. It actually is gooey, a little chewy, exactly what you want when you pull that cheesesteak away. I mean, that bread is either soaked in sauce or it is chewy and delightful. So guys, this is it, Christina. Trust me, this is beautiful. The bison is so amazing with this, and the cherry peppers in there. The filling is to die for. The provolone cheese is on top. It's one slice, 7 grams of fat between the two peppers. Guys, chop this up. It's coming out in the app this week. I hope you love it, Christina. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.